Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model NX. Very simple. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a sketch. Select XY plane. Then we need to create a circle. Make dimension 100. Okay, finish. Next, we need to create a new sketch. We need to create this intersection point as a reference point. So create a line, then all these points concentrate on the curve. Horizontal equal. As a reference, 50, too big, 20. Okay, finish. 10 mm as a reference. Yes. Now edge blend. Sorry. 5 point. Okay. 1 mm. Next, we need to use surface swept. First, we need to select the main sketch curves, tangent curves. We need to select the profile edge. So select. Next, select the circle. Okay. Oh no. $300. Okay. Nice. We need to change the 2 mm and 1 mm radial bridge. So next, mirror the line and dimension the 3. Finish. Okay. Next, we need the partner geometry. Select with attribute. Point origin. We need to give 15. Okay. Next, subject, Boolean subject. select all. Oh. We need to hide the execute, so change the nice. Next, hide the circle. Create another swept. We need to create a new profile. So close, and we need to use offset in face. Select the face and 2. Tangent close. Point 4. Okay. Next, hide surface. Create swept. Select the offset close and the circle. The same too. Okay. Change. Receipt. Well done. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.